renowned broadcaster and former managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service, Dr. Uche Nworah, recently waded in on the hot topic of Anioma identity crisis. Here is what he had to say when he met with one of Ubulu-Uku's finest, Dr. Victor Ikem. Dr. Victor Ikem hails from Ubulu-Uku, Abonto Mwozoma quarters in the ancient kingdom of Ubulu-Uku. He had this to say. Let's listen to him.
Victor is a wine merchant, spirit and all that. So he's renowned in Lagos and he has a PhD. So they're linking work. Oh, yeah, was there AJ Facebook here affair Victor Ikem. One not at the
oh yeah,
I think I point him Peter. No, we're buying a Jegas.
Ozin Jibia is a Basalo Anioma State.
Okay.
I'm a strong member of the APC.
Yes.
I'm not a politician, I'm a businessman.
Yes.
Man, I'm the cultural advancement and unity of Igbo is also critical to business development.
Yes.
I'm traveling around some Igbo states now, seeing the level of development that is being
even in consciousness.
As a businessman,
Yes.
I think that if Igbos identify ourselves as united, even now,
Yes.
Edem Namsi,
Yes.
Boyana Ubulu-Uku,
The blue gammon man.
oh, you Ubulu-Uku come.
Yes.
So, me just know Ubulu-Uku.
Oh, even I'm so an interest. If I know ancestral is from Umori. But I had that story for another.
Yes, sorry. So, yeah, I'm a strong politician. Ono ne kuku in the politics. No, ne tepo no maka Anioma State. We want to Anioma State to
Even when
I'm not making this point as a politician because I won't come here for the fish and it does.
it's either you're propagating for Anioma State.
Yes.
Even way to say to that, but I need to consult Kamalife what is in the wider interest of Ndibo. Waiting on
Dalo. Ezudo.
Welcome back. Now, regardless of the opinion you have about the position of Dr. Uche Nworah, yes, there are indigenous Nri people in Ubulu-Uku, and they are called Ikem in Ubulu-Uku. They are in charge of metal works. They are spread all over Ubulu-Uku kingdom. They are in Abuedo quarters, a place called Obi-Igbo. They are in Isho quarters, a place called Isiolie. They are in Onichuku, a place called Idumuilo. They are in Ubulokiti. They are in Obego, a place called Idumuomo, and that is where their deity used for metal work is held. The deity is called Idigu, a heavy metal. Hence, the saying Idigu Idumuomo. So there are Nri people in Ubulu-Uku. That is established. The position of Dr. Uche Nworah and our brother Dr. Victor Ikem, who he describes here rightly as a wine merchant, is very, very apt. Ubulu-Uku is an Igbo community. Ubulu-Uku undoubtedly as well is one of the most ancient communities in Anioma. It is the cultural epicenter of Anioma, and interestingly, Ubulu-Uku rarely ever suffers from identity crisis. The founders of Ubulu-Uku are known. The history of Ubulu-Uku is known. The origin of Ubulu-Uku is known. Our ancestry is known, and everything is documented. Documented in books, passed down in oral history, and it continues from generation to generation. Myself, I am a proud son of Ubulu-Uku kingdom, a descendant of Obi-Olise, conqueror of the Bini kingdom, and a proud son of Ojuko Obi. My name, or the name, Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune, and I am a proud Igbo man. The position you just heard of Dr. Uche Nworah and our brother Dr. Ikem simply tells you that we are Igbo. It is incontrovertible. Culturally, we are Igbo. Linguistically, we are Igbo. Ancestrally, we are Igbo. The remotest of our ancestors that you can trace, his name is Ezemu. He had 4 siblings, male. These 4 siblings bore Igbo names. The oldest of them was Obodo, founder of Ubulu-Uku. Ekelie, founder of Ashama. Aniga, founder of Adonte. Ezenalia, founder of Ojani. Ojani simply means the traveler, the tourist, or in most cases, derogatorily, the wanderer. These are Igbo nomenclatures, these are Igbo greetings, and these are Igbo settlements even unto this day. The oldest tree in this area is called the Ogilisi tree, the tree that was used for Imani. It was after Imani that these people decided to disperse. Otherwise, they were sent out with an ududu, an earthen pot, by their parents, all the way from Ile-Ife, where they migrated back from. When you hear stories of returning Igbos, we are the returning Igbos, alongside the people of Umuezechime. We are the returning Igbos that our ancestors went and returned. Does not change our identity. If I live in Lagos for 50 years and have 10 children, if my 10 children decide to return, they are not Lagosians. They are still Obolo men. They are still Ndi Igbo. So, I have to rightly give it up here to our brother, Dr. Uche Nworah, and his friend, Dr. Victor Ikem, for rightly putting it the way it is. We are Ndi Igbo. I bụ Igbo. Igbo niile bụ ofu. Igbo nọ n'akụkụ Ọmambala. Igbo nọ n'akụkụ ni. Igbo nọ n'olu. Igbo nọ n'ugwu. Igbo nọ na ndịda. Igbo nọ n'akụkụ osimiri Ọmambala. Igbo nọ n'enu anị. Igbo nọ n'ịka. Igbo nọ n'ụkwụ anị. Anyị niile bụ ofu. Daalụ na Chukwu ya gọzie ọnụ. Thanks. Please share this video to your audience and let us know what you think about our Igbo identity. See you in our next video. Bye.